अब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका।
Program has arrived. Contingents, please take your positions.
यान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका।
Our chief guest, DC of Churachandpur Shri Arun Kumar S, will now receive salute from the contingents.
इलेक्शन के लिए हाजिर है सीमा।
Now our chief guest, Sri Arun Kumar S, Deputy Commissioner of Churachandpur, by our SP of Churachandpur Sri Mohammed Zaid and our Parade Commander Sri Thomas Haukib. DCBSF, and behind them we have JNB Scouts and Guides, GM High School Girls and PHED Headquarter weighing RC contingents. Next we have the civil policemen, and behind them we have Rankai High Secondary School boys and Tuibong High School boys. Next we have the civil policewomen contingent, and behind them Rankai High Secondary School girls and Tuibong High School girls. And here we have Rayburn NCC Senior Division, and behind them Lanva Model Boys and JNB Boys. And here we have the AR Band Party. Next we have Rayburn NCC Junior Wing, and behind them Lanva Girls and JNB Girls. And next, Sisipur College NCC, Vimala Raina Boys, and Chinkompan YMRC. Bethany NCC Junior Wing, Vimala Raina High School Girls, and Sadavna Mandap Tibong RC. And lastly, JNV NCC GM Boys. And now we'll have the hoisting of our national flag. Please rise. Mipite na ding jit hit you all.
Red! Rashtra salute! Salame! Charge!
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Ayo! Charge!
Let's take our seats, please.
आज्ञा प्रदान करें श्रीमान
Our parade commander for today is Sri Thomas Alke, MPS. He is the MPS batch of 2023 and was first posted as SDPO Churachandpur and currently posted as Assistant Commandant 1st IRP Churachandpur. Our first contingent is the SDST BSF contingent commanded by SI Roshan Lal Meena. And next we have the civil policeman contingent commanded by SI Lal Meena. And here we have the civil policeman contingent commanded by SI Manhoit Vo. And here we have Raybert College NCC Senior Division commanded by Junior Under Officer Song Wanding and Junior Under Officer Ninglian Lal Ngaike. Sergeant Bongkan Ngai. Rayburn NCC Junior Wing is followed by Churachandpur College NCC Senior Wing commanded by Junior Under Officer Angela Vungai Sang and Junior Under Officer Ruby. Next, we have Bethany Christian College NCC Junior Wing commanded by Sergeant Ngai Mercy and Sergeant Glory. And here we have JNV Trinome NCC Junior Division commanded by Sergeant Kilal Mithangalkor and Sergeant Manwan Swankau. JNV NCC Junior Division is followed by JNV Scouts and Guides commanded by Dwitya Sopan H. Thanglembo and flag bearer Dwitya Sopan Nem Hoi Ling. And here we have Rankai Government High Secondary School Boys Contingent commanded by Romans Lalhit Sang and flag bearer Manasseh Malson Plum. Rankai Government High Secondary School Boys Contingent is followed by the Girls Contingent commanded by Lam Nei Hoi and flag bearer Wan Ei Kim. Lanba Model High School Boys Contingent commanded by Lalram Sanga and flag bearer Ka Bin Pao. Next we have Lanba Model High School Girls Contingent commanded by Ganga Devi and flag bearer Vunglunya. Lanba Model High School Girls Contingent is followed by Vimala Raina High School Boys Contingent commanded by Bobby Lal Sanglun and flag bearer Thang Lal Song. Next we have Vimala Raina High School Girls Contingent commanded by Niam Ngai Ching and flag bearer Shusna Dem. And here behind Vimala Raina High School Girls Contingent, we have Gandhi Memorial High School Boys Contingent commanded by Lungin Ma and flag bearer Zhang Min Lau. Next we have have Gandhi Memorial High School Girls Contingent commanded by Lingai Loon and flag bearer Rebecca. GM High School Girls is followed by Tuibong Government High School Boys. Tuibong Government High School Boys Contingent is commanded by Seikutin and flag bearer Satmin Sang. And here we have Tuibong Government High School Girls Contingent commanded by Chong Ngai Sang and flag bearer Lam Hoi Ching. And behind them we have GNB Tuinung Boys Contingent. Boys Contingent is commanded by Thai Min Len and flag bearer Let In Won. GNB Tuinu Boys Contingent is followed by the Girls Contingent. GNB Tuinu Girls Contingent is commanded by Nyanthian Paul Naula and flag bearer Mary Doniel. GNB Tuinu Girls Contingent is followed by Chimkonpong Waime Relief Camp Contingent. And here we have Chimkonpong Waime Relief Center Contingent commanded by Munthar and flag bearer Mercy. Here we have, in the black uniform, Sadapna Mandap, Tuibong Relief Center, commanded by Lam Hao and flag bearer Mungai Dian. Sadapna Mandap, Tuibong Relief Center is followed by Mulnum KCC Relief Center, commanded by Nim Kim and flag bearer Lin Wai Ching. And our last contingent for today's march past is the PHED Complex Headquarter Van Relief Center Contingent commanded by DL Thanga and flag bearer NP. would like to call on our chief guest.
Respected colleagues, honorable members of the armed forces, media friends, and my dear fellow citizens. Independence Day, Chibai. Damzel mo? Uinam? Idam mo? Vanakkam. It is with great pride and honor that I stand before you today as we celebrate our 78th Independence Day of our great nation. This day marks a defining moment in our history. A day we remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, honor the legacy of our forefathers, and renew our commitment to the ideals of liberty, justice, and democracy. 77 years ago, on this very day, our nation broke free from the shackles of the colonial rule. The road to freedom was very long and arduous, paved with the sacrifice of countless men and women who fought valiantly for our right of self-determination. Their courage, perseverance, and unwavering belief in the cause of freedom are the bedrock upon which our nation stands today. As we gather here today in Churachandpur, we are reminded of our diverse and rich cultural heritage that defines our district and our nation also. The spirit of unity in diversity, which has always been the strength of our country and thriving in as a community, that is where Churachandpur is also stands today. Our shared history, traditions and values binds us together, even in the face of many challenges. As your district magistrate, it is both an honor and privilege to share with you the remarkable journey that we have embarked together. Our district is not merely a geographical entity, it is a community, it is a family, and it is bound with threads of dreams, aspirations and challenges. In recent times, our district has faced its share of difficulties, particularly the violence, unrest that has affected our community and general public at large. These incidents have tested our resolve and our commitment to the ideals of peace and harmony. However, I am proud to say that the people of Churachandpur have shown remarkable resilience and determination to overcome these challenges. Our ability to come together and heal and rebuild is a testament to the strength of our community. The path to peace and reconciliation is not very easy, but it is a journey that we must all undertake together. As your district magistrate, I assure you that the administration is fully committed to ensuring justice, security and development for all. We will continue to work tirelessly to promote understanding and dialogue and build a future where every citizen feels safe, valued and respected. To the residents of the relief camp, I want to express my deepest empathy and assure you that entire administration is committed to your well-being and the restoration of the normalcy. Our democracy stands firm not only in the times of joy but also in the time of sorrow. The rights and dignity of every citizen, irrespective of their circumstances, are sacrosanct for us. Today, as we celebrate our Independence Day, we must also look into the future. Churachandpur has immense potential for growth, development, and it is our collective responsibility to harness the potential and benefit for all. Over the past years, we have made significant strides in various sectors, including education, healthcare, infrastructure, and rural development, in spite of multiple challenges coming across. Some of the activities taken by the Chief Medical Officer includes regular visits to the relief camp, conducting quality assessment for kayak health, and scan and share OPD was launched. 2 blocks, Lamka South and Tuibong ABP blocks, have been ranked 204 and 35 respectively. And I want to tell that the complete blood hemogram has been fitted in PHC Tanlon and CHC Singat from 26 to 27 July. We have 2 blocks under aspirational block program, Lamka South and Tuibong, and they have also improved their performance. I want to tell one interesting story where Lamka South TD block of PHSC was not functional for a long time, and now it has been able to function because of the hard work done by the block development officer, CMO office and the staffs. Lamka TD block is also performing very well. Tuibong block has achieved ANC registration taken up door to door, and Sampurnanand Abhiyan is launched from 4th of July, which hopes to elevate the progress under ABP. The police department's role goes beyond just maintaining law and order. They have been actively involved in providing support, assistance to the affected by the ethnic strife. From facilitating the movement of the relief supply to ensuring the safe evacuation of the individuals from the affected area, their efforts have been integral to the overall response and recovery of the district. Churachandpur district is housing the highest number of IDPs in Manipur, a total of 93 relief camps as of today compared to the other districts. Despite the challenges that we face, the district administration along with the civil society organizations are instrumental in ensuring the well-being of our fellow citizens who have sought refuge in the temporary shelters. They have faced logistical challenges, emotional distress, demanding conditions with grace and determination, putting the needs of their own above others. The relief camp managers along with the dedicated teams have been working tirelessly. I want to appreciate our nodal officer also. These relief camps have become safe havens for the displaced and because of the ethnic strife, offering not just physical necessities but also a space for healing, community support and rebuilding the shattered lives. The compassionate management of these camps have been crucial in instilling hope and resilience among the affected individuals and families. Some of the relief measures undertaken include 56,367 rice bags, 12,691 bags of dal, 4,791 bags of potato, 3,980 bags of onion, 50,335 oil tins, 16,220 kgs of salt and other daily needs. For nutritional needs, 23,489 estrogen lactogen packets have been given, 5,64,106 eggs have been given, 18,747 Cerelac packets have been given till today. The IDPs have been provided with more than 8,312 blankets, 5,332 bed sheets, 1,024 thermals and 7,677 thermoflasks. For women and children, the department has contributed more than 4,36,066 packets of diaper, 7,000 more sanitary and hygiene kits. For the mental health, a 55-inch TV was given to all the relief camps. I am happy to share today that in the last Republic Day, I personally announced the setting up of the computer center in the district which is ready for inauguration this month, and online exams for our children can be held from our district from this year. I emphasized the importance of the government officials in my last speech. Any 1 minute delay by any government official has a potential to change a life of a fellow citizen. While I expect my district level officers to perform their best and ensure justice, service and security, without any fear and favor to anyone, it is very important for the society to support the government agencies who are also involved in the social well-being of the citizen. If they stop working properly, it will affect the life of the poor, voiceless and downtrodden. Please understand. However, my dear citizen and district level officers, there is still much work to be done. The challenges of poverty, unemployment and underdevelopment remain, and we must continue to address these issues with determination and focus. Our goal is to create an environment where every citizen of Churachandpur has an opportunity to thrive and succeed. One of the most important lessons that we can draw from our history is power of the unity. Our freedom struggle was successful because people from all walks of life came together for a common cause. Today, as we face new challenges, we must come together again, build together across ethnic, religious and cultural lines, a district that is inclusive, harmonious and just. The diversity of Churachandpur is a source of strength and not a division. Our different communities with their unique traditions and culture contribute to the richness of our district. It is through mutual respect, understanding and cooperation that we can ensure lasting peace and prosperity. As we celebrate the Independence Day, I urge you to reflect on what it means to be free. Freedom is not just about absence of oppression. It is a presence of opportunity. It is the ability to pursue our dreams, to speak our minds and live our lives with dignity. But with freedom also comes the responsibility. The responsibility to uphold the value of our constitution, to respect the rights of others and to contribute to the welfare of our society. Let us pledge today to work together for a brighter future. Let us commit ourselves to the principles of justice, equality and democracy. And let us ensure that the sacrifices of our forefathers were not in vain by building a Churachandpur that we can all be proud of. I would like to thank each and every one of you for your unwavering support and cooperation. The progress we have made so far is a result of our collective efforts, and I am confident that together we can achieve even greater things in the years to come. I want to appreciate all the parade contingents who have taken time, and in this heat you are able to perform nicely. Let us celebrate this Independence Day with pride, hope and renewed sense of purpose. May the tricolor continue to fly high, and may the spirit of freedom and unity guide us in all our endeavors. Jai Hind. Kipake.
Thank you, sir, for the enlightening Independence Day speech. Now, Parade Commander will take permission to disperse the contingents.
परेड को विसर्जन करने का आज्ञा प्रदान करें श्रीमान।
And in the meantime,
परेड रेफरटरी बगल चर्च परेड denoting landed by mark
JNV, Scouts and Guides, please.
के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी सराया करो कुर्बानी। संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे अच्छे यारी यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है, बस तेरा प्यारी माँ तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम।
साथी है बस इतना ही कहना,
झुके तेरे आगे से तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। झुके तेरे आगे से तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया।
भारत हमको जान से प्यार है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यार है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है।
मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती।
देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। ए वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जान जब हो जाएंगे, पूरी चीज़ है तेरे कदमों में हम, बेटी अपने से हम पीछे हो जाएंगे। मैं वतन, मैं वतन।
persons and individuals, NGOs, in recognition of their outstanding and valuable services to Churachandpur district in public service on the occasion of the 78th Independence Day celebration of Azadi Ka Amrita Mahotsav on the 15th of August 2024. Srimati Laltazam, CEO, ADCC, SDO, Churachandpur, BDO Lamka and Lamka South. And this will be followed by Srimati Hasbi Haukip, MPS, ASP. And next will be Sri Letkolun Haukip, EEDRDA. Srimati Esther Chingnaikim, ZTO Churachandpur. Srimati Thangbiaklian, MFS. Sri T. Kamzamang, as he cannot come, I'd like to ask from the department to take on his behalf. Sri P. Thangkolian, Deputy Manager, MSPDCL. Sri P. Thongkolian, Deputy Manager, sorry, that is Thongkolian. Next we have Sri S.L. Thangzapao Vaipe, MPS. Next we have Sri Lianmin Thang Samte, SDC. Next we have Sri Satkugin Kilong, SDC headquarters. Sri Thangkohem Haukip, Assistant Engineer, DRDA. Sri Muhammad Gaya Zuddin Sheikh, Accounts Officer, DRDA. Srimati Teresa Tangkwa, SDC Thanlon. Srimati Lucy Haukip, Treasury Officer. Srimati Thangkuman, Assistant Treasury Officer. Sri Lalmudik Traite, Lineman, MSPDCL. Sri Mangswan Liantangpo, Computer Assistant, DC's Office. Mangswan Liantangpo, Computer Assistant, DC's Office. Mangswan, yes. K. Lam Sang Lian, DPM. Nalsalian, DPM. K. Lalsalian, District Program Manager. Srimati H. Chingai Kim, Block Finance Manager. Sri H. Kai Khan Mung, Senior TB Laboratory Supervisor. Srimati Mangte Thanger Chongkom, Health Supervisor, Microscopist. Srimati Mangte Thanger Tong. Sri Monlal Pau, Monlal Paul Guite, multipurpose worker. Monlal Paul Guite. Monlal Paul Guite will be followed by Srimati Nyangmal Som, lab technician. Nyangmal Som, lab technician. Dr. Lalzar Zolin Mar, nodal officer, sick newborn care unit. Dr. Marina Vungbia Kim Ton Singh, senior medical officer. Dr. Marina Vungbia Kim Ton Singh. Next, Dr. Lun Monlal Hauzel, medical officer. Dr. Zamlian Thang, veterinary officer. Sri Joseph K. Dinga, primary investigator. Sri Joseph K. Dinga. Srimati Nyang Hoi Chin, staff nurse. Srimati Kim Zanyang, grade 4, district hospital. Srimati Ngaizamoy Pion, sericulture. Srimati Ngaizamoy. Srimati Zonunpari, head office guard. Srimati Ngaizamoy. Srimati Zonunpari, head office guard. Sri V. Vungkhan Neng, LDC. Sri V. Vungkhan Neng, LDC. Sri David L. Ramsan Pulamte, forester. Sri Paukobang Tuboy, forest guard. Srimati Kim Dei Ching, forest guard. Sri Nangswan Lian, computer assistant, Sangaikot subdivision. Srimati Lam Ngai Ching, casual staff, Sangaikot subdivision. Sri Ngamkolal Baite, Computer Assistant, Samulamlan Subdivision. Sri M. Johnny Kom. Sri M. Johnny Kom. Absent. Sri Chingmuan Thang Buite, Pion Swangdo Subdivision. Sri Chingmuan Thang Buite. Next, Sri Zamkosei Kongsai LDC, SDO Churchanpur. Sri Muaglian UDC PWD. Sri Muaglian. Srimati Muaglian. Srimati Muaglian UDC PWD. Srimati Chinghoi Kim Tombing LDC PWD. Sri Naitham Khaitinlam Vaipe, Fish Farm Assistant. Sri Naitham Khaitinlam Vaipe, Fish Farm Assistant. Next is Sri Chinghoi Kim Tombing, followed by Sri Naitham Khaitinlam Vaipe. Sri Naitham Lamkase Watchman, District Fishery Office. Srimati Lingnei Kim Lungdim AO. Srimati Lingnei Kim Lungdim AO Horticulture and Soil Conservation. Srimati Rokhol Mar Pion Horticulture and Soil Conservation. Sri CSA Khalut. Sri CSA Khalut Khongsai State Mission Manager Financial Inclusion, MSRLM. Sri Thangnei Sang Tauthang Cluster Coordinator Saikot TD Block, MSRLM. That will be all, sir. Thank you.
तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। है अर्ज़ दीवाने की जहाँ मोर सुहानी देखी, एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो। कभी याद करे जो ज़माना, माटी पे मर मिट जाना, जिक्र में शामिल तेरा नाम हो। अंदाज ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी है जैसे हैं बेहद राज शामिला हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आज़माना हर बार हम चांद हम बादल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले उड़ते के तार से इंडिया वाले चले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के सबके छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के सबके छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले सुनो
Mohan, SDO of Tuibong. Followed by Sri MD Muzahid, Peon Revenue, SDO Tuibong. Srimati Lalming Moy, Singson, Sweeper Revenue, SDO Tuibong. Sri ST Powboy Haukip, Executive Engineer, ADCC. Sri N Thangmoy Baite, Executive Officer, ADC. Srimati N Kimte, Office Assistant, ADC, Chuchanpur. Sri Lalthang Moy, Peon, ADC, Chuchanpur. And in the meantime, I'd like to request the parade contingent commanders and flag bearers to please collect your refreshment from next to the enclosure to the last first enclosure, I mean. Sri Tlangbik Thang, MTF. Sri Lunkolal, Dumping Site Chokidar, ADC Chuchanpur. Sri Dongwanlal Driver, ADC Chuchanpur. All contingents, commanders and flag bearers, please come and collect your refreshment. Sri N Thangkogin, AR of Schools at your office, Chuchanpur Block. Sri Dongwanlal, Srimati Khol Hoi Kim Baipe, Principal, Kangbai Higher Secondary School. Khol Hoi Kim is absent. Sri Lekhosei Haukip. Oh, there she is. Sri Lekhosei Haukip, Science Graduate Teacher, ZU Office, Samulamlan Block. Srimati Angela Ningnailam Tauthang, Cluster Resource Person, Singat Block, ZU Office. Sri Chinsakham Khang Singh, Primary Teacher, Hengley Block, ZU Office. Sri Lalsoma Gangte, Senior Accountant, ZU Office. Sri Pauchunung Baipe, Associate Professor, Chuchanpur Autonomous College. Ms. Nemza Kim, Asha Worker, Komintang Village. Ms. Lianglian Kim Ton Singh, Aganwadi Walker, Bengnom Village. Sri S. Paul, ANO, JNV, Chuchanpur. That is Miss Lianglian Kim Ton Singh, Aganwadi Walker. Next we have S. Paul, ANO. That will be all. Thank you, ma'am. And the next group of awards we have, for that to do us the honors, I'd like to call on our SP of Chuchanpur. SI CID. Sri S Nengsakham ASI. Sri Alal Haukip ASI. Sri Alal Haukip ASI. Yes. Sri Khub Boyswantak ASI. Sri PV Thangboy Head Constable. Sri Nyovi Mangboy Head Constable. Sri Nyovi Mangboy Head Constable. Srimati Lingzan Inkip Gain Women Head Constable. Sri T Neng Swan Thang. Sri Swan Thang Haukip. Sri Ngam Khosat Lungdim. Sri Swan Thang Haukip, followed by Sri Ngam Khosat Lungdim. Sri Lun Khomang To Thang. Sri D Mangtian Mon. Sri L Thang Min Lun Haukip. Sri Lamwan Lal Hauk Haute. Sri Mangkai Haukip. Sri Sik Min Lun Gangte. Sri Sat Gaulian. Sri D Siamlal Muan. Sri Phaltuan Muanlal Vaipe. Sri Zamin Lun. Srimati Lingning Hanghal. Srimati Chinlun Kim. Srimati Oisian Nuam. Sri G Ginkhan Lal, first IRB. Sri Gin Khanla, Sri Paulun Hauki.
So sorry, sir. Look, very terrible.
Sir Ding Loy. Paulun Haukup will receive for Gin Gothang also. The next one. Paulun Haukip, Gin Gothang.
Lo. Kau tu semua tak nak sulat kau.
Sri Shivjal Das. So Paulun Haukip will receive for Gin Gothang, Shivjal Das also. Joseph Bonsing, Lamchan Sang Swantak, Lalian Kunga, Lalian Kunga, Lalian Kunga is absent. Lalmin Lun Gangte, Lalmin Lun Gangte, absent. Ram Kum Lun, Kai Muan Lian,
Hilang ah. Hai.
Sri Anish Khan, DC driver. Anish Khan. Sri Nawaz Sharif Khan, DC driver.
Sonda.
Nawaz Sharif. Absent. Nawaz Sharif is absent, so he'll take. Okay. Sri Gopal Subedi. Gopal Subedi. Sri Riazuddin Khan. Sri Gopal Subedi and Riazuddin Khan are DC's helpers. And next we have Renuka Gautam, DC's assistant. Renuka Gautam. That will be also, thank you. And while we get ready for the next group of wards, I'd like to call on the HSA cultural troupe.
Rosa, Ating pagkusong tuzolalim Kimten ng kandong Before siêu tròn mang mây môi ardent Quang khu hong Orville Tên 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 Chim lại lên cơn xa để ngăn môi short happy Henry New York Đi happy buồn tôi và sung sung là si rau ren tin lâu trì Tên đi ru thar nâng khu nôm là si Tùy khung cho yên lâu đi Lê đi con rô con môi suy rong Mùa sắc ninh môi cờ vai mà tu dô Thọc cắn tên môi xịt xì Sang tim vang thu sung tu dô la lên Thu tim tên nâng cân nôn Bầy phор siêu tròn bàn mây môi ardent Vang khu hong Orville Tên 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 Chim lại lên rôn xa lê ngăn môi short happy Henry New York Sang tim vang thu sung tu gió la lên Thu tim tên nâng cân nôn Bầy phor siêu tròn bàn mây môi ardent Vang khu hong Orville Tên 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 Bầy đi ruột thar nâng khu nôm la xịt Tùy khung cho yên lâu đi Lê đi con rô phan môi suy rong Mùa sắc bin môi cờ vai pa tu dô la Căn lem môi xịt xì Tên 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 Chim lại lên rùa ra lê ngăn môi short happy Henry New York
Thank you, HSF.
Oh
Awards for the March past contingents. And to do us the honors, if all are here, I'd like to request our chief guest, Udarun Kumar S, Deputy Commissioner, to give away the awards. And before we give to the contingents, I'd like to call on HSA CSO award for HSA. HSA General Headquarters. Mass Student Station Joint Headquarters. Sri Thomas Kongsai. Pilots. The two pilots, one will receive for both of them. Flag hoisting in charge. Flag hoisting in charge. Parade marshalling team. And also to our performers of today, St. Joseph Relief Camp Cultural Troupe, St. Joseph KV Cultural Troupe, KV, JNV, JNV, and HSA Cultural Troupe. HSA. It's okay. Anyone, any representative, anyone who can receive for them? Hilai nan lo la pek ta chewa. And now we'll announce the winners of the NCC contingents, NCC category. In the third place, we have Churchandpur College NCC Senior Wing. In the second position, we have Rayburn NCC Senior Division. And first place goes to Rayburn NCC Junior Wing. And in the school category, third place goes to Vimala Raina High School Boys Contingent. Second place goes to JNV Girls. And first place goes to JNV Boys Contingent. And for the consolation prizes, STC BSF, policemen, policewomen, JNV NCC, a prize la tega koma na po tok nai kiwa vote of thanks tan kha all commanders flag holders you're supposed to stand there, okay? Vote of thanks tan hun kha na chan na din diwa. JNV NCC, JNV Scouts and Guides, Bethany NCC, Rankai Higher Secondary School Boys and Girls, unki zui nga lo boys and girls. Rankai Higher Secondary School Boys, Rankai Higher Secondary School Girls, Vimala Raina High School Girls, GM High School Boys and Girls, Lanva Model Boys and Girls, Tuibong Boys and Girls, Tuibong, Sabavna Mandap, relief camp. Tuibong, please come. Molum KCC relief camp. Tuibong Teum Lâu mo. Sabavna Mandap Teum Lâu mo. That is Molnom KCC. Next is Chingkonpang YMA Relief Center. Then PHED Complex Headquarter Wing Relief Center. That will be awesome. Thank you so much, sir. Please don't leave. We'll be here till the vote of thanks. We pite hako mana chizo dai kyunla a program thang boy gangte ADC. And please, ladies, please come with the banner.
You all once again. Before proposing my vote of thanks, I'd like to take this opportunity to reaffirm our commitment against a drug-free society, a drug-free country, and drug-free Churchanpur. So I'd like to request all the dignitaries in the dais to kindly stand up and join me in taking Nasa Muk Bharat Abhiyan pledge.
Bidang pipi ho kabo no nadang achute ho to malamate ho khale le achute khale na dingve ki tiwa lungsit takin.
Let us all keep our head in our chest and kindly repeat after me. Today we unite under the Nasamuk Bharat Abhiyan and take a pledge that not only the community, family, friends, but also ourselves will be drug-free. Because change should start within ourselves. So let us all together take a firm decision to make our district drug-free. I pledge that I will do everything possible to the best of my abilities to make my country drug-free. Jai Hind. Thank you all. Be kindly seated. Now coming to the vote of thanks. Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests and fellow citizens, we gathered here today to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone involved in making this Independence Day celebration a grand success. We thank our chief guest for inspiring us with his words and steering the district toward a greater height even at such a tumultuous time. We also extend our gratitude to SDOs, TLOs, security personnel, and staff who have worked tirelessly behind the scene to ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience for us all. Also, we appreciate the efforts of the performers, artists, friends from media, participants, and talented performers who has added a festive spirit in today's program. Most importantly, we remembered and honored the sacrifice of our freedom fighters and brave martyrs who have made our independence possible. Let us continue for a better future, upholding the value of freedom, justice, and unity. And last but not the least, we congratulate all the awardees of today's program and hope that we all continue the path of selfless dedication towards public service and to the process of nation building. Wish you all a very good day ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, everyone. for attending today's program. And those parade winners, please come this side. We want you to sign on a paper.